Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermistor in a Jenn-Air refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of wire strippers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new thermistor and a couple of connectors. There are two thermistors in this fridge, one in the freezer and the other in the fresh food compartment. We will show you how to replace both of them. A thermistor changes its resistance value depending on the ambient temperature, allowing the control board to monitor and control the temperature in the compartments. The reason why the thermistor should be replaced is because it shorts out or loses its resistance. The failure of the thermistor may cause an improper air damper opening, causing the refrigerator to be too cold or not be cold enough. To get to the part, we need to remove the freezer door. Pull out the freezer door. Remove the top shelf. Lift up the door from the rails. Please note, do not grab it by the handle, it may break off. Push in both rails. Here, on the right, is the freezer thermistor inside this cover. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into this slot and open the locking tab to release the cover. Remove the thermistor from the cover and pull it out as far as it can go. Use the wire strippers to cut the old thermistor off. Cut and pull the ends apart. Strip approximately a 1/4 inch of the insulation of the wires. This is the old thermistor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new thermistor comes with a really long wire. We don't need it that long. Cut the wire off, leaving about 5 to 6 inches in length. And then strip it. We can use our wire strippers to separate the wires and pull them apart. Strip approximately a 1/4 inch of the insulation of the wires. Twist the wires together. Put the connector on and using the wire strippers, crimp the connector. Make sure it's tight. Repeat the procedure for the second set of wires. Slide the connectors and extra length of wire through the opening in the rear panel. Place the thermistor inside the cover and clip it in. Install the cover back on the panel. Pull out the rails and install the freezer door. First, insert the rear tabs and then lower down the door so the front tabs lock on both sides. Install the top shelf. Close the freezer door. And now we'll show you how to replace the thermistor in the fresh food compartment. Let's open the doors. Remove the two upper shelves. Take out the 1/4-inch screw, slide back the light cover, and remove it. Locate the two openings with the locking tabs at the rear of the control panel. With the flat blade screwdriver, push the tabs and open the control panel. Here in the corner, you can see the old thermistor. You need to slide it out, cut it off, and then splice the new one in, just like we did inside the freezer. After splicing the new thermistor in, put it in the clip. Match pins with the holes and push the control panel up until it locks. Slide the light cover on. Secure it with a 1/4-inch screw. Next, let's install the shelves. And now, when we're done with the repair, let's close the doors, plug the fridge back in, and make sure it's cooling down. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.